Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting the exact identifiers and documentation Facebook needs. Capture page and add account ID, business manager details, screenshots of the flagged content, and role histories. This proves ownership and intent. Once done, draft a concise appeal explaining why the entities are distinct or properly linked, using dates and actions. Make sure to include any prior approvals or legal documents. Then open account quality or business help and start the official appeal process with that evidence attached. Now you show how the accounts relate and fix anything that looks like a misuse. Create a clear map of admins, pixels, domains, and ad accounts, and annotate which relationships are intentional. Then remove or temporarily revoke any access that creates ambiguity. Stray partners, duplicate pixels, or shared pixels across unrelated pages. Document each change as a remediation log with timestamps. Upload it with your appeal so reviewers can see corrective actions. Doing so speeds up resolution and demonstrates compliance. Finish by submitting a final, evidence-backed appeal and then actively monitor the review. Attach your remediation log, any government or business ID, domain verification screenshots, and a short timeline of changes. Once submitted, check account quality every day and respond promptly to reviewer questions. Quick replies reduce friction. If the appeal stalls, use business help chat or partner support to request escalation. If denied, read the reviewer note carefully. Make the requested fixes and submit a focused follow-up appeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.